guys, my name is Selena and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be recreating a celebrity's Instagram, and the celebrity that I've chosen is Selena Gomez. So a while back, I asked on my Instagram stories if you guys can DM some suggestions of which Indian and international celebrities that I should try and recreate. So a lot of you guys suggested Selena Gomez and then a lot of other celebrities, but I will maybe do them later. But first I thought I should try and do Selena Gomez. So yeah, if you guys do like this video, then leave more suggestions down below and I would love to recreate them. And before I get started, I just want to let you guys know that no, I am not trying to be Selena Gomez in any shape or form. I'm not trying to look like her. I'm not trying to be like her. This is just a fun challenge that has been really popular on YouTube, and I just wanted to try it out myself and see how I can do it. So yeah, with that out of the way, without any further ado, let's just get started. You know, all these celebrities, they are going to be wearing designer clothes like 90% of the time, and I don't have any designer clothes. So yeah, I mean, trying to recreate that in like a budget is kind of a challenge in itself. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys a picture and I'm going to rate myself out of 10 depending on how well how good of a job I did on recreating the picture. So 1 will be obviously, you know, like not good at all, to 10 being the best. So the first picture that I chose to recreate is this one. So in this picture, Selena Gomez is leaning on a nice vintage looking car. I don't know what car that is, and she's just wearing a plain band t-shirt. So she's wearing a Guns N' Roses t-shirt, and in the bottom she's just wearing some gym tights, black pair of round sunglasses and a ponytail. So I'm obviously not going to find a place where there are, you know, going to be like pine trees and etc. and all those things. So I just had to make do with whatever I had. Now this honestly is kind of my least favorite recreation that I've done, because a lot of the things are missing when I try to recreate this. Even though obviously I can't find the exact same background, but the background I did find I wasn't very happy with. So unfortunately I couldn't get any black cars, but I found a white car and I just thought, okay fine, I'll just make do with it. Now outfit wise, it was pretty spot on because it wasn't really very hard to, you know, pull off, but location and everything else wise, I'm not very satisfied. So I would rate myself a 5 out of 10 for this one. So the second picture that I've chose is from a campaign for Adidas, and here she's just, you know, sitting on the floor. It's definitely taken in a studio. You can see that it's just a plain white background, plain white floors. I obviously didn't have the Adidas shoes, the exact one she's wearing, but I did have like a white grayish pair of sports shoes, and mine was from Nike, so I decided to wear that. The only hard part about this shoot was her expression, because she's giving like a very sweet, innocent kind of look, and this is how I have taken it, and I feel like I've done a pretty good job trying to get that expression as close to her as possible. This picture I'm actually pretty satisfied, except for the black flooring. Everything else I feel like for me was pretty spot on. So I'm going to rate this a 8.5 out of 10. The third picture that we tried to recreate was this one, and this one is from her Coach campaign. I think this was one of her earlier Coach campaigns. I didn't have one of the main elements, which is the purse. The thing that I had pretty close to this purse was a white one, only because that also had like that tassel or that handle thing hanging around it, which I could hold like the way she was holding. Now coming to the outfit, I do have a leather jacket, or I should say like a faux leather jacket. I folded it and I took it to the location, and once I took it out, it just started falling apart, and I was like, oh my god, why didn't I ever notice this? Because it's been a while since I've worn the jacket that I had bought like 3-4 years back. So I had to replace it with a black blazer. I can't tell you guys how many different takes we had to take just to get that expression right, you know, trying to angle your head the exact way. So I am going to rate this a 7 out of 10. So the fourth picture that I chose of Selena's was from way back from 2016. So I had a black blazer, so I knew that wardrobe wise this picture would be, you know, pretty spot on. I decided to wear a skin color bandeau so that even though I was wearing something inside, it would kind of give an illusion that I wasn't. Even the way she has held her hair is like so perfect, and I'm like, how do you expect me to recreate this one? So yeah, but overall it was a lot of fun. We did have to take a lot of shots for this, but I think we came pretty close to her picture. So for this I will rate myself a 8.5. Okay, so I have saved the best for the last, or at least what I feel is the best. So this last picture that I chose is from her Bad Liar music video, and I feel like that music video is just such a fun music video. So I didn't have the exact same printed shirt like she has, and let me just say guys, I absolutely love that vintage shirt she's wearing. I wish I really owned it. I did have a shirt which did have a lot of print on it, and it's just like this, you know, like satin pajama shirt. My hair is kind of really soft, so the books just kept sliding off, and it was just really funny and super fun to recreate, and I really love the end results. The Indian schools, at least where I went to, didn't have lockers, so we just decided to skip the entire idea of trying to find a place like that. And for this picture I would rate myself a solid 9 out of 10. So that was it guys. Those are all the pictures that I recreated from Selena Gomez's Instagram. Do let me know how I did in the comments down below. Also, I want you guys to rate all the 5 pictures too. You let me know out of 1 to 10 how much would you rate for all the 5 pictures that I tried to recreate. Also, don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up if you guys liked it, and subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already, and also hit that notification bell button so that you guys are notified every time I upload a video. I upload videos every Tuesday and Friday, and I will catch you guys next time. Bye!